what is going on, guys? Smart Doofus here, back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to be installing the throttle cable onto this Predator 212 so we can use the gas pedal for the engine. We still do not have the wheel fixed, but that will most likely be next video. Okay, so it's like 4 hours later because it took me forever to get this thing working. I got it working. We had issues with it. Had to mess with the idler screw for like 30 minutes, and then I had to eat. But basically, you just loosen this right here, this Phillips head, stick your throttle cable through it, tighten that back down, run your throttle cable underneath this little, I can't point to it, maybe, there, right there. Run your throttle cable through that so it doesn't get caught on anything, and then you need to add a spring so that it returns all the way back, because sometimes it'll just return part way, and you don't want your throttle part way open. Also, you have to loosen this thing so that the throttle cable can move freely. But other than that, yeah, I had it running and the gas pedal was working good. I probably should have filmed that, but then the cable broke. Like it was revving and everything. Like it was really cool. I was having an awesome time. I felt like a little kid, but then the cable broke and now I'm sad. But it's okay. We'll just buy an actual cable instead of using like a old rusty cable from a bike. And I'll show it revving here in a second.
Let's get this party going on.
I probably need to turn on the ignition. Alright, that is the end of it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. You are beautiful people. Have a great day, and bye-bye.